One sunny day, Peppa Pig and her friends were playing outside when they spotted something incredible in the sky, a magical rainbow that sparkled with all the colors they had ever seen. Let's follow the rainbow and see where it leads, Peppa exclaimed. George, Suzy Sheep, and Danny Dog excitedly agreed, and off they went. As they followed the rainbow, they entered a magical land where everything was made of candy. The trees had lollipop leaves, the flowers were made of gumdrops, and the rivers flowed with chocolate. Peppa and her friends couldn't believe their eyes. Suddenly, they saw a sad unicorn sitting by a candy cane tree. "Why are you sad?" Peppa asked. The unicorn explained that the magical rainbow had lost its colors, and without it, the candy land would lose all its magic. "We have to help," said Peppa, determined to bring back the rainbow's colors. With the unicorn's help, Peppa and her friends set off on a quest to find the lost colors of the rainbow. They traveled to different lands, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, each filled with fun challenges. They jumped over giant strawberries in the red land, flew on butterfly wings in the yellow land, and swam with friendly dolphins in the blue land. Finally, they gathered all the colors and returned to the magical rainbow. As they placed the colors back, the rainbow began to sparkle again, brighter than ever. The candy land was saved, and the unicorn was happy once more. Peppa and her friends celebrated by having a big candy picnic under the rainbow. This was the best adventure ever, Peppa cheered. And from that day on, they were known as the heroes of the magical rainbow.